What if I told you that the farmhouse look everyone is obsessing over in 2026 does not require a massive budget? Most people assume this style is reserved for custom builds or full-gut renovations, but that is simply not true. You can get that warm, grounded, magazine-worthy farmhouse exterior for a fraction of what you think. And today, I am going to show you exactly how. Some of these ideas will surprise you, and one of them is so budget-friendly that most homeowners completely overlook it. Before we jump in, if you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, the channel where we break down real, honest home design ideas without the fluff or the inflated price tags. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you find value in what we share today, drop a like, it helps more people find this content. Now here is something most design channels will not tell you. One of the 5 ideas we are covering today is so underrated that contractors in 2025 and 2026 have been quietly using it on their own personal homes while charging clients premium prices for far more expensive alternatives. We will get to that one, so make sure you watch all the way through. Farmhouse exterior design is one of the most searched home styles right now, and for good reason. It blends simplicity, warmth, and character in a way that feels timeless rather than trendy. But here is the problem. When most people start researching how to achieve this look, they run into price tags that stop them cold. Stone cladding quotes, premium cedar siding estimates, custom millwork pricing. It starts to feel like the farmhouse dream is locked behind a very expensive gate. That is exactly why we made this video. Everything we are covering today is practical, achievable, and built around what real homeowners are actually doing in 2026 to get stunning farmhouse curb appeal on a realistic budget. Let us get into it. Design Idea 1. Board and batten siding. If there is one exterior finish that defines the modern farmhouse look more than anything else, it is board and batten siding. This is the vertical wood-style paneling you see on almost every farmhouse exterior that stops you mid-scroll. And the great news is that in 2026, you do not need actual wood to get this look. Engineered wood siding products from brands like LP SmartSide and James Hardie have made board and batten more accessible than ever. These products are pre-primed, moisture-resistant, and come in a range of profiles that mimic the real thing convincingly. The typical cost to install board and batten using engineered wood runs between $5 to $2 per square foot installed, depending on your region and labor rates. Compare that to real cedar at $15 to $25 per square foot, and you are looking at significant savings without a visible difference to the average eye. The look works especially well on gable ends, front facades, and accent walls, so even if you only update a portion of your exterior, the visual impact is dramatic. What makes this option even smarter in 2026 is the color direction. Deep charcoal, warm cream, earthy sage, and classic white are all performing extremely well for farmhouse exteriors right now. These are all standard paint finishes, meaning you are not paying for custom tinting or specialty coatings. One thing to note honestly, installation does require some skill, and improper installation of engineered siding can lead to moisture issues over time. If you are going the DIY route, take time to study the manufacturer installation guidelines carefully. If you are hiring out, get at least 3 quotes and ask specifically about their experience with this siding type. But board and batten is just the starting point. What really makes a farmhouse exterior feel complete is what you put on top. And the second idea on our list is something that does double duty, protecting your home and defining its entire personality at the same time. Design Idea 2. Standing seam or corrugated metal roofing. Nothing says farmhouse authenticity quite like a metal roof. And in 2026, metal roofing has become one of the smartest investments a homeowner can make for both aesthetics and long-term value. Here is the honest breakdown. Standing seam metal roofing, which gives you those clean, continuous vertical lines, typically runs between $10 and $16 per square foot installed. That is more expensive up front than asphalt shingles, but the lifespan is 40 to 70 years compared to the 20 to 30 years you get from a standard asphalt roof. When you factor in the replacement cost you avoid, the math starts to make real sense. For homeowners on a tighter budget, corrugated metal panels are the more affordable cousin of standing seam. They run between $5 and $9 per square foot installed and deliver that same raw, honest farmhouse character that has become so popular. The corrugated look works particularly well on barns, sheds, accessory structures, and even main home roofs when paired with the right design elements. Color matters here too. Weathered zinc gray, barn red, matte black, and forest green are the dominant farmhouse metal roof colors in 2026. Each one tells a slightly different story. Barn red reads as traditional and warm. Matte black reads as modern and sharp. Weathered zinc gray is the most versatile and tends to complement the widest range of siding colors. One honest caveat: metal roofs can be noisy during heavy rain, and in areas with extreme temperature swings, expansion and contraction can cause minor noise as well. Most homeowners find they adjust quickly, but it is worth knowing up front. Proper installation with adequate underlayment significantly reduces this. Now that we have covered the walls and the roof, you might think the big visual work is done. But the third idea on this list is actually what ties everything together, and it is one of the most affordable upgrades on this entire list. A lot of homeowners skip it and their homes look unfinished because of it. Design idea 3. The front porch with simple structural columns. A front porch is the heartbeat of a farmhouse exterior. It is what makes the home feel lived in, welcoming, and genuinely farmhouse rather than just farmhouse adjacent. And in 2026, you do not need a sprawling wraparound porch to get that feeling. Even a modest covered entry porch with the right elements can completely transform the curb appeal of your home. The key elements are straightforward. You need a covered roof structure, a simple wood or composite deck, columns, and some form of railing or post detailing. The columns are where most homeowners either get this right or miss the mark entirely. Square craftsman-style columns wrapped in composite material or PVC trim give you that clean farmhouse silhouette without the maintenance headache of real wood. These are widely available at major home improvement stores and can often be installed by a competent DIYer over a weekend. Cost-wise, a basic front porch addition of around 100 to 200 square feet, including framing, decking, roofing, and columns, typically runs between $8,000 and $20,000, depending on scope and local labor rates. That might sound like a lot, but in terms of curb appeal return per dollar spent, it is one of the highest impact projects in residential design. For homes that already have a basic covered entry, updating the columns, adding new decking, and installing a simple railing can come in well under $3,000. The honest challenge here is structural. If you are adding a porch to an existing home rather than upgrading one that already exists, you will need permits in most municipalities and a professional to handle the structural attachment to your home. This is not a corner to cut. The porch sets the stage, but there is one incredibly affordable design decision that most farmhouse homeowners either do not know about or underestimate completely. It involves your windows, and it costs a fraction of what people spend on siding and roofing. Design idea 4. Black window frames and exterior shutters. This is the idea that professional contractors use on their own homes. Black window frames paired with strategic exterior shutters might be the highest impact, lowest cost farmhouse exterior upgrade that exists. In 2026, black aluminum-clad windows and black exterior window trim have become the defining visual accent of the modern farmhouse style, and they work on almost every home type, from new construction to 40-year-old ranches. Here is why this works so well visually. Black trim creates contrast. On a white or cream farmhouse exterior, black window frames act like graphic lines that give the home definition and crispness. They stop the eye and create focal points in a way that beige or white trim never can. The result is a home that looks custom and intentional, even if the rest of the work was minimal. For existing windows, you do not necessarily need to replace them to get this effect. High-quality exterior trim paint in a deep matte black applied to existing window casings and surrounds can deliver a striking transformation. Behr Marquee and Benjamin Moore Aura Exterior are two products performing extremely well in 2026 for exterior trim applications, with strong adhesion and long-term color retention. If you do want to go a step further, exterior board and batten shutters flanking your windows reinforce the farmhouse look significantly. In 2026, the trend is towards simple, flat panel or Z-brace shutter designs in black, dark green, or deep navy. Real wood shutters can be built for as little as $30 to $60 per pair, using cedar fence boards. Composite and PVC options are slightly more expensive, but offer better longevity with minimal maintenance. Honestly, the only risk with this approach is going overboard. Not every window needs shutters, and not every shutter needs to be black. Restraint is what separates the homes that look curated from the ones that look busy. Use shutters on your most prominent windows and keep the rest clean. We have covered siding, roofing, the front porch, and window details. But our fifth idea is arguably the most underestimated on this entire list, and it is something you can start as soon as this weekend without a single contractor. This one is genuinely for everyone. Design idea 5: landscaping, pathways, and exterior lighting. Here is the honest truth about farmhouse exterior design that nobody talks about enough. You could have perfect siding, a metal roof, a beautiful porch, and black window frames, and the home will still look incomplete without intentional landscaping, a defined pathway, and thoughtful exterior lighting. These three elements are what bridge the gap between a house that looks renovated and one that looks like a home. In 2026, the farmhouse landscaping direction has moved toward low-maintenance native plantings with a structured layout. Think raised garden beds flanking the front walkway, ornamental grasses, lavender, black-eyed Susans, and boxwood hedges used sparingly for structure. The goal is abundance without chaos. A well-planted front yard communicates care and intention and dramatically increases the perceived value of your home without a single structural change. Pathways matter more than most people realize. A simple concrete stepping stone path, or a gravel pathway with landscape edging leading from the driveway or street to your front porch, creates a sense of arrival. It tells visitors where to go and frames your home in the process. In 2026, decomposed granite paths and concrete pavers in warm tan and natural gray tones are the dominant choices for farmhouse properties. A basic path project can be completed for $200 to $800 as a DIY project, depending on materials and length. Exterior lighting completes the picture. Solar-powered lantern-style post lights, porch sconces in black matte or oil-rubbed bronze finishes, and low-voltage pathway lights are transforming farmhouse curb appeal after dark in 2026. The good news is that solar-powered options have improved dramatically in quality and brightness over the past 2 years. You can find highly rated solar post lights and sconces for under $50 each at major retailers, and installation requires no electrical work at all. The honest word of caution here is planning. Start with a simple sketch of your front yard before you buy anything. Impulse plant purchases and mismatched lighting styles are the most common reason DIY landscaping projects end up looking scattered. Decide on a color palette for your plants, stick to 2 or 3 fixture finishes for your lighting, and keep your pathway material consistent. And there you have it, 5 affordable farmhouse exterior design ideas that are genuinely achievable in 2026 without breaking the bank. Board and batten siding for that iconic farmhouse silhouette. Metal roofing for character and long-term value. A front porch that makes your home feel complete. Black window frames and shutters for that crisp, custom look. And landscaping, pathways, and lighting to bring it all home. The most important takeaway from this video is that farmhouse exterior design is not about budget, it is about intentionality. You can spend very little and still achieve a result that looks considered and beautiful as long as you make informed choices and execute them well. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps us reach more homeowners who need this kind of honest, practical content. Subscribe to Affordable Homes and Plans if you have not already, and check out our next video where we go deeper on farmhouse interior design ideas that are just as budget-friendly. We will see you there.